you can do more. Especially like you can see the pin 6 have the signal information, which means they have the signal input. So you can use the oscilloscope and connect to the pin 6. Okay, so I just go to another state. Yeah.
And just before you move on, Wesly, we did cover signals on ABI Labs, the second series of ABI Labs. But signals are normally clock signals, right? So
yes,
that's what we're doing. We're basically checking what is the information. Is this a positive pulse? Is this a negative pulse? You'll be able to check that with the oscilloscope. And if you were expecting a signal on the IC, then it makes sense. However, if you do have a broken track, like your example demonstrates, for instance, maybe there was no signal supposed to come onto that particular pin. Well, the system will show you that information, will provide that the level of detail by printing SIG next to the pin on the device. And if you think that that's weird, you're saying, well, why am I getting a signal here on this input, for instance? Well, maybe because there's a broken track in the and the clock signal, the crystal signal, is actually being shortcut to that pin when it shouldn't be. And these are some of the very hard to find faults. The device doesn't work in circuit. It works out circuit, doesn't work in circuit. Well, it might not work in circuit because there might be something wrong with the connections, or there may be some broken tracks or interferences that shouldn't be there. Okay, Wesly?
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes, and thank you. You can start to be the repair engineer. Yeah. So
I'll leave that to you. I'll leave that to you.
Okay, thank you. So yes, so you can see I test the pin 6 and I got a signal in here. And I don't need to take another oscilloscope to here or function generator or anything else. This BoardMaster can provide all the functions that you requested for the repair. So right now we can save the data. How we save the data? We can store the mask. Okay, adjust the tolerance. You can see you can be okay. That's good. Okay, that's good. So we can turn off the power and signal will gone. That's fine because we save the data. Yeah, and we can save into the disk explorer. Okay.